Western Australia is home to one of two major national shipbuilding hubs and is critical to the delivery of Australia's naval shipbuilding enterprise, building a range of naval vessels covering combat logistics, amphibious, support and patrol vessels. The Western Australian Government is committed to its defence industry, investing $35 million in workforce initiatives alone to date. Western Australia's defence industry is well placed to meet global needs, benefiting from its export-focused economy that is well integrated into global supply chains and strong advanced manufacturing capabilities supported by its world-class tertiary institutions such as South Metropolitan TAFE. South Metropolitan TAFE is one of Western Australia's most diverse training providers, delivering more than 300 qualifications to around 25,000 students. South Metropolitan TAFE is working with Western Australia's world-leading defence industry and the WA Government to deliver a pipeline of skilled workers to meet the future needs of the sector. Defence industry training is customised to employers' needs, all within a framework of existing nationally accredited courses using world-class facilities. This includes extensive industry consultation to deliver the right skills at the right time, and pathway programs to bring together schools, tertiary institutions and the defence industry to attract, train, retrain and retain the workforce. This approach is a game changer in the growth of Australia's defence capability. South Metro TAFE campuses are equipped with state-of-the-art equipment with a focus on Western Australia's growing shipbuilding industry and provide students and apprentices with hands-on experience in a real-life industry setting. Western Australia's defence industry consists of around 200 organisations with highly skilled defence industry workforce, and South Metro TAFE collaborates with major defence sector employees with a highly skilled and educated workforce of more than 1.4 million people, including over 600,000 who hold a Certificate 3 or higher and 500,000 who have a bachelor's degree or higher. The Government of Western Australia is committed to continuing its work with the Commonwealth Government as part of a Team Australia and commence working with partner countries to support the AUKUS defence endeavours.